Every 28 days, your skin has a chance to reproduce healthy cells for vital and youthful-looking skin. This happens when cells rejuvenate and replicate DNA. In each cell, there is a nucleus packed with DNA in the form of chromosomes. Each chromosome is shaped like an X. At the end of each chromosome, there is something called a telomere. Think about DNA like a shoelace, and the end of it like the plastic tip, and that's where the cell's ability to reproduce happens. When the telomeres get too short, they can no longer divide and reproduce, and eventually the cells begin to die, causing the skin to wrinkle, to lose fullness and elasticity. That is when we begin to visibly start aging. Using Nobel Prize winning research on aging, we have used red algae to promote telomere protection, keeping the telomeres from shortening and allowing the cells to reproduce at their highest potential possible, leaving you with youthful, more plumper, dewier looking skin.